Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's a very easy stitch to make. You may think that it's difficult to make, but it's very easy to make, you will see. I think it's ideal to make a scarf with it. It would be nice. It's the same from both sides, from the wrong side and from the right side. It's the same, as you can see. Hope that you find this video useful and that you try it. For this pattern stitch chains, we need to make multiples of 20. So you make multiples of 20 chains for the stitch. And we're going to start. We're going to go in the fourth chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fourth chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to make a puff stitch. We put the thread on the hook like this. We go in the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we pull up a stitch and we leave it on the hook. Again, we turn the thread on the needle, on the hook. We go to the second chain, we put a stitch on the needle. It's a puff stitch. That is the second. We go to the third one, we turn the thread on the hook. We go on the fourth one and we pull up a stitch. Then we slip them together, we leave the last two, and we slip the last two. Now we're going to work from here, and we're going to make a single crochet like this. We're going to make 3. 1, 2, and 3, like that. Now we're going to go to the next chain, and we're going to do the same. We turn the thread on the hook. 1, 2, the next chain, 3, we go to the next chain, and 4. We slip them together like this, and we slip the last two, and that is the second one. Now we're going to work again in here. So we go with the hook like this, and we make a single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Again we go to the next chain, we turn the thread on the hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We slip them together and we slip the last two. Again we go here and we make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3, and we go to the next 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We slip them together, we slip the last two, and again we do 3 single crochet over here. 1, 2, and 3. We have the last stitch here, and we're going to finish with a treble in the last stitch. Now I'm using only these chains to show you how if you want it bigger, you have to use more stitches, more chains. And that is the first row ready. Now I'm going to show you the second row. This row, always you have to repeat it, this row. Always repeat this row. You start with 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Turn the work around. First, you turn the thread on the needle like we did before. And you go over there and you pull up a stitch. That is 1. Turn the thread again on the needle. You go here on the second one. That is 2. The third one, you go here and you pull up a stitch. And the fourth one, you put it here. You make it from there. And you slip them together like that. Now, we're going to make the single crochet and we're going to work it from here. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to start the next 4. The first one we're going to do it here. For we did the last one, we're going to do the second one too. 1, we go in here in the 2, 3, and here the 4th one. We pull them together and do the last 2, and then again another 3 here. Single crochet 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to do the next one. Again, the first one here. 1, and the second 2, 3, and the last one over here, 4. And we pull out together, and the last 2 here. Again, we go here and we're going to make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. As I told you, this row, you have to repeat always this row. Now we're going to do the last one. 1, we go in the next stitch, 2, 3, and the last one we go here, 4. We pull them together, now we're going to make 3 single crochet over here. 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to finish here where we made these chains. Here we're going to finish with a treble here where we made the chains. And that is how the stitch is. Always repeat this row that I told you. Again, you start with 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. The first one you make it over here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You pull them together. 3 single crochet here, 1, 2, and 3. The next one you start from here, 1, from the last one, from where you had the last one, 2, 3, and 4. Again, you pull them together and you make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And you repeat all the rows like that. And you finish here with a treble. You finish with a treble here. You start with 3 chains here, and you repeat that row that I showed you all the time, and you will have this result. It's a very beautiful stitch, as you can see, and as you have seen, it was very easy to make. It's not difficult. Always repeat the same row. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.